I decided to finally cut my hair today because it's just been like, this is so dry. The ends are really split. I love the color of my hair though. So I'm gonna get it redone because I cut a lot of it off. Like, look at this color, it is beautiful. Thank you, Larissa. I'm sorry, honey, that I cut it off. And this is my hair right now, so I'm very scared. I'm gonna diffuse it right now. I haven't washed it because I washed it yesterday and I just decided to cut my hair right now because it's been super dead lately. It's just not cute when it's down. Like, I just feel like it's really dead and dry. So I just decided to cut my own hair right now. And I just wanted to show you guys my big chop. Hands around my neck. Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. I cut my hair and I did it because my hair was honestly so dead and just like so limp. Like, it was honestly so sad. Like, I literally had like, my hair was probably up to here. Like, this much of it was probably just like straight. I was like, this needs to go. So I took matters into my own hands. Me, myself, and I went in with my hair scissors and I just started cutting. Honestly, I was really scared, but I felt like I kind of knew what I was doing because I had watched so many videos, and it's like you can literally watch the video and see exactly what they're doing. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys what I've been using on my hair, and a lot has changed since my first hair routine video. Alright, so let me tell you guys, I really didn't know what I was getting myself into when I had posted my first hair routine video. Like, the hair police came for me. I even got called white, and I'm not white, just to clarify. I learned a lot from that video, and ever since then I've been educating myself a lot more on products, on what to use in my hair and what not to use in my hair. So I'm pretty much starting my healthy hair journey, I should say. Alright, so the reason why I went back to like doing my hair more natural was because of the fact that I had bleached my hair. And I knew that I couldn't do bleach and heat damage to my hair, so I was like, I need to start wearing my hair natural if I like want to keep this color. So I'm just learning how to manage it and how to repair my hair. I wanted to post this video so I can see my progress, you know, later on. And like, other people who want to wear their hair natural and are thinking about it, or are thinking about cutting their hair and don't want to cut it because it's long but it's still damaged, chop it off, honey. Chop it off. It needs to come off. It's gonna be so worth it once you do it, because you're gonna be like, wow, like my hair has life again. So you guys, I don't know why I just have so much frizz. Like, I don't know how to get rid of it. I just washed my hair earlier. I usually like my hair more on the second day because it's like more, it has more volume to it. So to start off with the shower, so my shampoo and conditioners, my mask also that I had been using was from Pro's Customized Hair Care. I have been using these. If you guys have seen, not my last video, the video before that, I'll link it down below so you guys can see my whole review on this. This has honestly changed a lot in my hair. I really saw my texture change and like come back to like its natural state. Just to put it out there, I used to have really curly hair when I was little. I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see, because people are gonna be telling me like, oh, like your hair isn't curly or it's not wavy, blah blah. So yeah, just a little side note. So I used to use the wet brush a lot, like the paddle brush, wet brush, and I realized that it messes up your pattern if you just keep brushing through it, and it also causes a lot of breakage. So I changed that. I also always use a water spritzer to make sure that my hair is wet before I even go in to brush it. Honestly, I don't even really brush my hair a lot. I only use this if after my like mask or conditioner. If it still has a little bit of tangles, I'll just go in like with it like a little bit, and I only detangle my hair if it's soaking wet or if it has conditioner in it or leave-in conditioner in it. I've also been using oil for my hair because I want my hair to grow longer and I want it to grow healthy. So this came with the busted cap, so that's why it has tape on it. It looks a little janky. This is Jamaican black castor oil. It honestly smells a little bit like cigarettes, to be honest, but it smells like that because it's roasted. So this is Jamaican black castor oil. It's not like regular castor oil. This is a roasted bean, so that's why it smells like it has like that kind of burn scent to it. This is really good to stimulate hair growth and massage into your scalp, and also to like help with your hairline if you want to have a better hairline. You can also put this on your lashes, your brows. I've also been using this Tropical Isle Jamaican Red Pimiento hair growth oil, and this has a little twisty cap like that, but it's been so cold lately that it's literally like solid in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's literally solid in there. So during the summer, it'll be, you know, easy to just go like that and then massage it into my scalp. So I go in with that like before I get in the shower. I just kind of massage it all over my scalp. I give myself a little head massage, and that's really good because it's going to stimulate your hair growth. And another thing that I feel like has really helped my hair too are these masks. So my hair is bleached and it was heat damaged. It still kind of is heat damaged because I would do so much straightening and curling to it that it was really heat damaged. So I have been using this Diva Curl Melt and a Moisture Mask. This is a deep conditioning mask. You can use this before the shower or after the shower. I like to do it before the shower, or if I'm gonna mix it with this one, then I'll do it after the shower. But I do this one before, and it really does my hair really soft, and it just brings back life to it, and it goes from like really dry to having like a little shine to it and just more bounce and body to it. I also use this Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair. This is a repairing formula and it is made with seaweed. So if you have color damage or bleach damage, you definitely want to try out this. If you want to try out this Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair, this is amazing for that. So we need protein in our hair to help and define our hair because it is so damaged. It needs to help mend itself back together. So getting proteins and stuff that has protein in it for your hair is really important. This mask you do after the shower and leave it on for 15 or 20 minutes. So the deep conditioning mask, you can leave this one on overnight. This one, you want to make sure that you don't leave this on overnight. So my hair is a lot more defined than it used to be before I could cut it. But it also has so much frizz right now, I just don't know what to do with it. Like, I need products that are for frizz. Leave it down below in the comments because I need to know, like, this frizziness is killing me. What I first like to go in with is this Red Pure Coconut and Vitamin E Leave-In Conditioner, and this is really good. I love this. It's vegan, gluten-free, and they don't test on animals, so they're cruelty-free as well. And I just really like it. Like, I love, people said, I've seen that there's reviews that it's too thick, but for me, I have like thicker hair, I guess, and I can handle more product, that this really doesn't weigh down my hair. You guys can see the consistency of it. It's really not that thick. I like to spray this right when I get out of the shower. It's the first thing that I spray on my hair. I just go and I go ahead and spritz it all over my hair. I don't like to put too much. I probably like to like do like 3 spritz on this side, 3 spritz on this side, and like 1 or 2 in the back, just to condition it so it's not so dry. So after leave-in conditioner, I like to go in with this Diva Curl Wave Maker. It's honestly really crazy because the consistency of it literally is like whipped, but I feel like it just disappears. Like, and it smells really, really good. That's why I really like these products too. Then for gels, I didn't really want to get a gel yet because I don't really know exactly what gel I should get, but I did get sent this Enoir Divine Curls gel, and if you guys have seen this video of my review on this gel and the whole line of this really didn't work out for me because I feel like it was just for someone who has healthy hair and doesn't have damage in their hair. So maybe like down the line when I do have healthier hair, I can probably use it on its own. But for this one, the Enoir Divine Curls, I like to go in with this after the Wave Maker. I love the way this one smells. So I kind of go with a lot of this. This never ever leaves my hair crunchy. So I've been working with this gel just because I have it, and I haven't found a gel that I want to purchase yet. I don't really know which one to purchase. I've seen like Diva Curls, like all their gels that they have, and I just don't know which one's for me. And then to also add some moisture back into my hair, I go in with the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I use this, and I kind of been using a little bit less of it, but I think that is why my hair is getting really, really frizzy, so I don't have enough of this in my hair. I'm still trying to figure out my routine. I'm still trying to figure exactly what I need and like what works for my hair. Oh, and then also another thing that has changed my life, like has changed my hair completely, is I have been sleeping with a satin pillowcase. You guys do not know how much you need a satin pillowcase until you have a satin pillowcase. If you have curly hair and wavy hair, straight hair, honestly, like I feel like everyone needs a satin pillowcase. It's really good for your skin, and it's also really good for your hair, just so it prevents a lot of breakage. And also something that's really, really good too for your hair, if you're gonna put it up, is a scrunchie. So they have like silk scrunchies, satin scrunchies, they have cotton scrunchies. They have a lot of like different fabrics on the scrunchies, but it's from just like an elastic band, and then they put the material over the scrunchie. So whenever I put my hair up, I do use a scrunchie instead of like a regular rubber band. And I feel like it really makes a big difference. Like, it doesn't leave a really big dent in your hair, and I feel like it's softer in your hair as well, prevents breakage. So this is my hair, how it is so far. Don't judge it all the way yet because I know that it can still use some work. So if you do want to cut your hair on your own, I definitely recommend that you get hair scissors, you get clips to clip up your hair into sections, and you also watch a lot of videos. Like if you're even cutting your hair, watch a video on YouTube, like on the Diva Curl YouTube channel. They have a lot of videos on there of stylists cutting people's hair at their salon. Alright, so that concludes this video. I just really wanted to sit down to show you guys the results of me cutting my hair and why I think it's super important to cut your hair if it is damaged. So if you guys have any product recommendations or any styling tips or anything like that, definitely let me know down below in the comments because I am all ears. I am still learning about this every single day. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up if you guys did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You